To set up Google Analytics Universal Analytics, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you don't already have one. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required information, including your website URL, industry category, and reporting time zone. Once you have created your account, you will be given a unique tracking ID, which is used to identify your website in Google Analytics. This tracking ID is in the format of UA followed by a series of numbers. You will need to add this tracking ID to your website in order to track website data. To add the tracking ID to your website, you will need to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website pages. This code is a JavaScript code that sends data to Google Analytics whenever a user interacts with your website. You can add this code to your website pages by copying and pasting it into the HTML of your website, or by using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. After you have added the tracking code to your website, you will need to set up your goals and events in Google Analytics. Goals are specific actions that you want users to take on your website, such as filling out a contact form or making a purchase. Events are specific actions that users take on your website, such as clicking on a button or watching a video. By setting up goals and events, you can track how users are interacting with your website and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. To set up goals and events, go to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and click on the Goals or Events tab. From here, you can create new goals and events by specifying the type of goal or event, the destination URL, and the event label. You can also set up funnels to track the steps that users take to complete a goal. In addition to setting up goals and events, you should also set up e-commerce tracking if you have an online store. E-commerce tracking allows you to track transactions and revenue on your website. To set up e-commerce tracking, go to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and click on the e-commerce tab. From here, you can enable e-commerce tracking and specify the currency and conversion rate. Finally, it is a good idea to verify your website in Google Analytics to ensure that your tracking code is working correctly. To verify your website, go to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and click on the Property Settings tab. From here, you can click on the Verify button to verify your website. This will check that your tracking code is installed correctly and that data is being sent to Google Analytics. By following these steps, you can set up Google Analytics Universal Analytics and start tracking data on your website. This will allow you to gain insights into how users are interacting with your website and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing campaigns.